Hey there guys, Bruce Milligan from Cell Pro Repair Solutions here. Just doing we're removing the volume button and the on-off button, as well as the Bixby button on a Samsung S9. As you can see, sorry, this is an S8 Plus, and I've got an S9 here as well. It has the same buttons, so it applies to that as well. Anyways, if you like this video or found it helpful, like and subscribe to my channel. Anyways, here we go. We are going to be heating up these here. This is the sort of the connection, or the area where it sits. We're just going to be removing the Bixby button first. And you can do this if you want to change the color of your on-off button or the buttons on the phone to make it look kind of funky. You get your tweezers, and you're going to want to just pull that guy out like that. And it's got an internal bracket. You just pop that guy out. Now you take the tweezers, the end of them, and you just stick it in the hole. This guy pops out, and you just kind of knock it off like that. Now we're going to do the other one. This one's a little bit more trickier because it's long. We're just going to pry at it from there. Maybe move this guy around a little bit. And some clips here we can sort of use to leverage it a little bit. It's kind of tougher than it looks, this one. So there we go. That guy came out. I want to get this out too. Now that's out. So you're just going to stick the... You can see how it's got little blue things there. Just going to stick that guy in. Blammo. Out that comes. That one there, you kind of hear it click a bit. And you can pull it out, and there we go. So we've got all of these on-off buttons now, and if you got a gray unit, you can use whatever you want. Alrighty, thank you very much. And again, if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much.